That's yummy.
Yeah, that's really good.
So today we're cooking some vegetarian cook-up rice or coconut rice with some some pigeon peas. Because one of the girls, there are 3 girls, they're here on spring break, so they're college young adults, and 2 of them eat chickens, but one is total vegetarian. So we're making some vegetarian cook-up rice and also some chicken wings on the side. Beautiful day here in Key Largo. We have the fire going. We're cooking on the fireside so they can taste a different taste. And they never had our Guyanese dishes before. So this will be very awesome, or you know, my way of dishes. So what I have is some chicken wings all washed and clean. And we'll be seasoning it in front of you. And these are some of the stuff we have here for cook-up rice. What I have here, you see what I have, some carrots, pigeon peas, pumpkin, some dashing bush, and also like some poi bhaji. So I'm gonna cook the vegetarian cook-up in one of my big pot here. Of course on the fireside, anything for me to cook on the fireside. And what we're gonna start with, I'm gonna put the onions and also some peppers. Put extra onions. You're making veggie style, so you put extra onions and vegetable, okay? Good. Putting in some garlic. And also what I'm going to do now, some green seasoning, which is thyme, Bradley thyme, and celery, and also some bandania. I'm going to pour a little bit of sugar just for some color, not much color. I don't want too much color. I wanted to look, the vegetables and so to look nice, but I'm burning a little sugar for just brown it up a little bit. Our guests are out there by the beach right now enjoying everything. And I said, which day would you like me to cook a little dinner for you? And I said today, because tomorrow they're doing some diving and other stuff. They're here for 3 days and they go to college in Miami, but they're from different places in the country. Guys, check out the caramelized, how nice it's caramelizing here. Just to give the rice a little bit color and a little bit of sweetness. And we'll mix up everything now. We're going to put in our rice. Guys, so I'm going to put in some salt in my rice. And what I have here, check it out, some fine leaf thyme, all fresh from the garden. Right up here too. Washed and so on this morning. I have a few all around the yard. They're waiting for more rain, you know, to bust out. I'll put some ginger in this cook-up rice. Give it a nice flavor. Must try it. And now we'll put in our coconut milk. And then we'll put in our vegetables, and our pigeon peas is already boiled. So I'll put that in, let the rice cook a little bit. This is pour-boiled rice, so it's a little tougher rice. Ooh, nice fire, nice fire. Oh, I love to put in the thyme leaf with the stem and everything. Let me know in the comments how many of you like to put in the stem of the thyme leaf when you're cooking cook up. And this is just vegetarian. We'll cook the chicken wings on the side. Let's go ahead. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna cover this up and we'll season our chicken wings. And when this is finished, we'll cook our chicken wings after. Here I already put some salt on this chicken. And what I'm gonna put now, I have some roasted paprika, black pepper, garlic, onions, and we're gonna just mix all this in here in this chicken wings. And now I'm gonna put all my fresh herbs, and this is thyme, culantro, celery. And we'll just mix this up. We'll let it sit until the cook up is finished, and we'll cook this on the fireside as well. I'm making these chicken wings with some casa rib sauce or casa rib, and so I'm putting in a little bit in there for color. We're gonna cook this on the fireside, not grilling, just cooking it in a pan, like a pot roast kind of style. So we'll just mix this up so it starts marinate all nicely, you know. Casa rib, I don't just use it for making the pepper pot. I use it to cook chicken, meats, different meats. I use it a lot for marination. I just like the flavor of it, you know. Nice breeze, man. Check it. I have some nice cucumber here and a pineapple for our side snacks. Look at this nice pineapple. Oh my goodness. It's perfect, perfect. I'll be making some chow with some of them and just have plain pineapple and cucumber also with just a little bit of salt and shallot. Oh, pineapple is one of my favorite fruit growing up. And growing up, oh my gosh, in the Caribbean or in Guyana and Trinidad and all those West Indian countries, oh, the pineapple is like sugar in your mouth. Hey guys, remember to keep your pineapple skin. I will soak it overnight with some warm water, some sugar, some cloves and cinnamon, and make some nice pineapple drink. Ah, oh, so good. I'm cutting up half of it now, and then this here we're gonna cut up for some chow. This is the core of the pineapple. It's a little tough to eat, so most of the time you cut it out. And let's cut up our cucumber as well. So we'll take out the shallot. You just cut it off and then it keep growing, you know. Fresh from the garden. I have my shallot. Now I'm cutting up my cucumber. In the cucumber, I'll add a little salt and pepper and a little bit of shallot. Okay guys, I just took off the cover We're gonna put a little extra coconut milk in the pot. And I like to put a little extra coconut milk at the end for it to taste really coconut, like taste the coconut flavor, especially when you're making it veggie style. A pumpkin, some dashing bush, carrots, and pigeon peas. And now we're gonna put in everything in here, and I also have some nice bhaji leaf, poi bhaji leaf. We're putting extra vegetables because it's vegetarian style. The colors in this, I have all the colors for your brain, for your eyes, iron, just everything. Tasty and delicious for all my vegan vegetarian family. This is actually can be eaten as vegan as well. It's coconut milk we're cooking with, and all the vegetables and rice. So just mixing everything now, and a few more, maybe another 10 minutes of cooking, and it will be finished. Some butter in here, and that's gonna make it just take rich and delicious. Nice creamy butter. Few more minutes, cook up rice is finished, and then we'll do our chicken. So this is my shallot. I'll put in some shallot in here, and I also have a nice tomato. I'll put some black pepper, until when I'm ready to serve, we'll put a little bit of salt. This is the best tomato from the garden. And we'll put some culantro, chopped up culantro, and a little bit of garlic and pepper to make it into a little chow. Mix this up. Nice breeze, man, nice breeze. Got our pineapple and our cucumber tomato chow. Alright guys, check it out, our cook up is finished. Now I'm gonna just put some chives and some garden fresh herbs at the end. And now we're gonna start our chicken wings. Stir this in, take this down, and so yummy. Time to cook some chicken wings, guys. Let's do this. Look at a nice fire. I'll put in our onions. I'll put some ginger in here now. I like ginger in all my foods. Some fresh ginger. Here we put our chicken wings and some ginger. And what I have in there was some onion sauteed. And now what we'll do, we'll put our garlic and our chives and all our green herbs and pepper and all that good stuff. Oh, it smells so good in this front yard. You can't beat fireside cooking. I'll put in some butter in here as well. The sun is hot, melt the butter a little bit. Now we're gonna mix this up and let all that flavor get into the chicken and leave it on this nice fireside heat. Mix this up, guys. Nice chicken wing. You must try this recipe. I like cooking outside, and I love cooking for others. I love for others to try my food. So now I'm gonna just cover this and let it start to cook slowly. The natural juices will come out from the chicken and start to cook it. Okay. Alright, my friends, so our chicken is finished and our vegetarian cook-up rice is also finished with our pineapple and our cucumber tomato salad or chow. So these guys finished, some nice little gravy, all natural juices. Guys, our friends are here, so let's start take out food. I left the cook up on the fireside to stay warm. Look at a nice vegetarian vegan cook up, or coconut milk and rice and beans with vegetables. Ooh. Nice, guys, check out the chicken. Oh my goodness, look how good this is looking. Our chicken wings. Wow, man, I love that brilliant color. And put some sauce in there as well. Garlic and butter sauce. This smells so good. I can't wait to eat as well. Alright, guys, so one is vegetarian, 3 girls. One is vegetarian, and so we have some chicken wings ready here. We also have some cucumber and tomato salad with some pineapple and our vegetarian cook-up rice. And this is for our friends, our guests who are staying here in our Sandy's backyard, Keys Cottage. And also for our neighbor, I cook a little extra rice and so to send over for our neighbor over there. Okay, time for dinner. Taking some dinner for our guests.
Right. Okay, so that's Holly. Holly's the first one.
Sarah.
Tara.
And then Emily.
Emily.
Emily, Tara, and Holly.
Yes.
And you guys go to school at U of M?
Yes. Miami.
Oh, nice. Go Canes.
Where are you guys originally from?
I'm from Maryland.
Wow.
I'm from Pennsylvania.
Ooh.
I'm from outside Chicago.
Oh gosh, so you guys must be loving this weather.
Yes.
So nice.
For
Is this
sure.
your first year?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes,
Oh.
first down here, yeah.
But next time, if you guys just want to run away and come by without, booking or so, reach out to us.
No, you understand. She invites people to stay at our house all the
Oh my
time.
gosh, all the time.
No, you just bypass that part.
I'm old school as it can get, we're old school. But anyway, so what I have is some pineapple, cucumber, and then put salt. And this is all from the garden. And it's chicken wings.
Oh, okay.
And a sauce that I use for it is called cas rib. It's made with cassava or yuca. If you know the cassava, I don't know if you ever heard of it.
Yeah.
So it's just pretty much chicken wings with garden fresh herbs and that sauce.
You guys know yuca, Spanish food yuca?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
cassava.
that's the
I've heard
sauce
they
that
call
we
it
make.
cassava.
And then this is the vegetarian rice.
And-
So this goes with this, but I figured I put extra carrots and spinach and pigeon peas and garden fresh herbs as well.
Thank you so
Wait,
much.
wait.
Coconut milk.
There you go.
Okay, perfect.
So we call it cook-up rice,
Mm-hmm.
but it's vegetarian style. Normally we'll add meats and stuff like that to it.
Oh, it's really good.
All right, so that's it.
Okay.
And I didn't cook it very spicy and so on because we normally did a little more spicy and things like that. So I calm it down a little bit.
That's yummy.
Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah, you can taste the coconut milk and so
Yeah.
on. Oh, good, good.
Yeah, no, that's
All
really
right.
good.
Oh, I missed it. What did you tell them?
Oh, about the fruit.
Oh, Bulimbi.
Yeah,
And they got some achar.
I gave them some achar and it's Bulimbi. Hey, try it. Let me see your reaction.
Wait,
on the
try
Wait,
fruit.
yeah, what?
Okay,
what-
wait.
Yeah, bite it.
but-
Oh, give me a small one.
yeah, just a little nibble.
Hey, the Spanish folks will just eat a thing like if it's an apple.
Yeah.
They have
Ready?
No reaction.
All the same.
Wait, I like that.
You like
I
it?
also like that.
Oh,
Kind of
it's,
tastes like
It's like a sour
apple. Yeah.
oh, you see, it takes a. I grew up with it. I can't eat it like that. We ate it differently, and it's so funny that Americans actually loved it.
Yeah.
They honestly taste like a really like sour apple.
Oh,
You guys like a lot of sour things, and
Yeah.
wait,
sour.
Send, give them the other one. My favorite.
Oh, later.
Okay, you're here for a couple days. Okay, we're excited.
And I'm gonna pick up papaya.
There's a
too.
June plum, a golden apple, but yeah, those are my little snack in the yard. It's kind of like that. It's like a Granny Smith apple, but it's not. Yeah, yeah.
If you want here, pick up papaya one time because you'll pick it from the raccoons tonight. Don't leave out any food or so, because the raccoons will go.
Yeah,
through.
no, for sure. For sure. Yeah.
You ever had
Thank
papaya?
you.
You ever had papayas?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So we'll pick some. We have there. So you guys can have a breakfast. So I'll put it on the table. Take it inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, organic, but they're so yummy. All right.
And that same meal was cooked with this thing.
that?
Yeah, this is called Dashin bush.
Because you said that's like the spinach, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Come on. No.
Can you get it? You see? Come on. Look how big this one is. It's coming to an end. This is one of our sweetest tree, one of our sweetest papayas, and it's coming to an end. Look at all these leaves.